Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Sportage versus the Toyota Fortuner in a drag race and full comparison. We'll examine how these two popular SUVs stack up against each other, focusing on their on-road performance and acceleration. Discover which vehicle delivers a quicker start and maintains speed more effectively, giving you a clear picture of their dynamic capabilities. Let's dive into the core performance numbers. The Sportage, with its 2.5-liter engine, delivers a respectable 187 horsepower, making it agile for daily commutes. In contrast, the Fortuner's 2.8-liter diesel engine boasts 201 horsepower, providing significant torque for both on-road and off-road challenges. We'll see how these power differences translate into real-world acceleration. Beyond raw power, driving dynamics play a crucial role. The Sportage offers a more refined, car-like ride, prioritizing comfort and handling for city driving. The Fortuner, built on a robust body-on-frame chassis, excels in durability and off-road prowess, though its on-road manners are more truck-like. We'll consider how these design philosophies impact their overall driving feel. In conclusion, both the Kia Sportage and Toyota Fortuner offer distinct advantages. The Sportage shines as a comfortable, efficient urban SUV, while the Fortuner stands out for its ruggedness and off-road capabilities. Your choice depends on your primary needs and driving environment. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.